everyone, I'm the Lazy Nigerian Mom and you're welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making mango jam without sugar. So we'll start by washing our fruits first. You're going to need 1,500 grams of ripe mango, 1 lemon or 1/8 cup of lemon juice, and 100 grams of apple. So the next thing after washing the fruit is to core, dice, and chop the apples to your preferred size. Please, if you would like to learn how to make mango jam with sugar, I'll be linking it in a description box, or it will be appearing on the screen somewhere. You can chop it like so, or you can make it smaller, but I prefer it small actually. When you're done, you put them in a separate plate and keep aside. You can mix up a tiny bit of lemon juice or mango juice on the apples so they don't change colors. Cut up your mango chicks and scoop them out like so. You can use a knife to just cut them up so they don't form bigger lumps if you want. Then take out the pith or seed and do the same to the other side of the mango chick. It's preferable to use mangoes without strings, as in the non-stringy mangoes are best for making jam. You can also cut it up this way, whichever way you prefer. This particular mango jam recipe is good for those who have sugar-related illnesses and those who have concerns for their sugar intake. This is a healthy option without compromising quality and great taste. So my family, the kids and I prefer the sweet mango jam with sugar. Meanwhile, my husband prefers the mango jam without sugar. So in this way, nobody misses out on the mango goodness. Actually puree yours with a blender, but I prefer cutting them up like this so that I can differentiate between the ones with sugar. When you're done chopping up your mangoes, you add your mangoes to a non-stick pan. You add the apples and lemon juice, mix them up and cook on high to medium heat for 30 minutes or more, or even less. Then stir. You have to keep stirring them because it burns really easily. If you just look away, your pot will burn, and that's not what we want in our jam. But if it does get burnt, just keep stirring, unless it's too bad. Just keep stirring and it won't change the taste that much. But if it burns badly, not to worry, just switch pots. And be more careful this time. You keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt, because once you stop stirring, the possibility of it burning is very high. If you find that temperature is too much, you can always reduce or increase your heat, as the case may be, while cooking. Looks like our jam is ready, so I'm going to use the plate test or spoon test to check if it's done. So you either take a spoon and scoop out a little bit of mango jam, allow it to cool, and if it solidifies like a normal jam should, then you know your jam is ready. Or if you put on a plate and you flip the plate sideways, you won't see any pooled water around the scoop on the plate. So our jam's ready, and we can allow to cool before storage or pour while hot. Then with the aid of a wide mouth funnel, I'm going to scoop the ready jam into my sterilized storage bottle and then keep aside to cool. If you be canning yours, you can still continue your canning procedure after this, otherwise store in the fridge. Now your jam is ready and you can enjoy it with bread, toast, and you can use it as fillings in your cakes. Yes, I sometimes do that. And a lot of things you might want to use it for. You can become creative and do whatever you want with it. It's your jam now, right? So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Please also check out my other videos. I have some interesting videos, and I have some to also upload soon in the future. If you would like me to share my quick mango ice cream recipe, please just type ice cream in the comment section. Once again, thanks for watching, and do stay safe. Bye.